We are just at the start in nascent stages of this integration of different technologies, be it wireless networks, wireless technologies, as well as AI. And both together is more powerful, and the different value propositions it can create for operators. It starts not only from optimizing the networks, maintaining the networks, but also deploying and creating new services faster, creating better user experiences for customers. Earlier, it used to take an operator possibly like weeks to deploy a service. But now with AI and very smart policy management and all the data which it can collect and make sense of it and can deploy these services in days or even in hours. One is automate the network, and one is making the networks more intelligent. The lowest hanging opportunity is obviously on the network management side of things, where operators can optimize the networks, save energy, right, in terms of power savings, making all the processes very optimal. So that will be adoption. That adoption we'll see really fast, and then we'll move on to other parts of the network as well as on the user plane or the UE side of things, where you will see more AI adoption. So it is a journey. It's and it will keep on evolving, right? So it's not that in 5 years we'll reach a stage where everything is good, but the amount of workloads will increase. So operators will have to work with infrastructure vendors like Huawei, Ericsson to build on more efficient networks. Within 5.5G, the 5G SA deployment is a key cornerstone for this, because once they have 5G standalone network, they can do a lot with spectrum, they can do a lot with policy management and SLA-driven business models, right? And AI will help them accelerate that. We have seen adoption of AI across the network. So players like Huawei has been working on this AI journey for almost 4 or 5 years, and many of the operators have adopted AI in different ways. So we have moved from software-defined networking to AI-based networks, and now we are going to a new level of AI, which is using language models, large language models or large models, as well as more automated, intelligent AI which can compute even better, faster, all the processes and all the data. And it has also evolved with the generation of cellular technologies. So in 3G, there was not much of AI. In 4G and 4G advanced, we had some amount of AI. In basic 5G, which deployed in last 3 years, it had some amount of AI, but with 5.5G and the new 3GPP releases and what other equipment vendors are adding on top of it, that is driving a lot of value for operators. So how can vendors work with operators in a particular region to solve those transparency problems with respect to AI, ethics with respect to AI, right? That is one of the biggest challenge we foresee in the AI ecosystem right now. Apart from the regulation, is more of how green it can be, at the same time how much computational power it will require. You will see a lot of calibration from different players in the ecosystem to make sure the AI which is used is efficient, ethical at the same time. Operators will have to prioritize and align in terms of their internal AI, internal mindset to adopt AI. At the same time, also also a talent pool to within the team, within their teams, right, to understand and how to deploy the AI working with the ecosystem partners. AI plus 5G, 5.5G is going to be the next evolution, and which they cannot ignore.